Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week I'm doing something a little bit different. I am going to try a gold mask. I've never tried a peel off mask before, so I figured this might be a good time to do it, and what better way to do it than film yourself doing it the first time and see how it actually goes. Like I said, the product is Avon Anew Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. It's called. It says, our youth boosting gold mask is formulated with powerful ingredients to enhance skin smoothness and brightness for visibly lifted and younger looking skin. So yeah, we're going to try. Apply a thin, even layer on cleansed skin. Leave on until dry. Gently peel off. Rinse I can't speak. Rinse with warm water, and you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, so the first step, I think always, I have another mirror right here, is to put your hair up when you do a mask because it's gonna go everywhere. And yeah. Oh, now I just look bald a little bit. This is always so satisfying, just like taking it off. Get a little closer. We're just gonna start applying thin layer all over the skin. Okay, so now I think we're all good. It's all layered on the skin as you get a nice close-up of my face. And it's all gold. So now we just gotta wait for it to dry. So I think it's now fully dry. In the meantime, as you can see, I put my laundry away. I did clean my nails a bit, so they're a little bit better. They're not that like ugly pink that was there before. So gives you like 10 minutes to go do something, but now we're gonna do the real thing of peeling it off. So you're supposed to do it from the bottom. So that looks so gross. So you just start peeling it off. So now we're going to use the wet face cloth to just get rid of everything else off the skin, as well as get it all out of my eyebrows and my hairline because I did not apply it very gracefully. I definitely feel like my skin it feels a lot brighter. Oh, it looks like it. I feel like it probably got a lot of like cleans the pores, things like that just with the peeling. So it's really cool to try. I've never done a peel before, but I don't mind. I think next time I'm going to try maybe put a little more thinner layer onto my skin, as well as maybe wait 5 more minutes for it to dry, and then I feel like I wouldn't have as many problems as I did just around the cheek area, just like peeling it off. But overall it was really cool. So this is one of my new favorite foundations. I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and it's in the 4 Cream Whip, and I really love it. It gives a really good coverage, so I'm going to be using this all over my face. So my camera died for a little bit there, but I used some Makeup Forever under my eyes for a little bit of a highlighter, and then I'm just going to go over everything, where's my brush, just with a powder. Now for brows, I love this little thing from CoverGirl. How did I just get brow powder all over my shoulder? Look at that. How? Oh, now it's just like tanning my shoulder. Do a little bit of eyeliner. My favorite right now, well, it has been for a long time, is this Clinique. And then over top with some CoverGirl Peacock Flare. Lastly, we're just going to finish off the look because I really don't know too much about makeup. But I am going to use some blush. I like this one. I don't know where it's from, but I like it. I like the color. So just gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Like I said, I never really know. I am not a beauty YouTuber, but I just like makeup. So if you do want to look at more beauty stuff for YouTube, you should go visit Dee at Liner Glitter Gloss. I'm gonna put her stuff down below. She's a good beauty YouTuber, so go check her out. But then lastly, we're gonna use some highlighter. I've been using this one from the Healthy Glow highlighter in 3, and yeah, so it looks like this, and then the inside is like this. And I just been like using my finger and just putting it above kind of where I had the blush and just blending that out, because that's what I think you're supposed to do with highlighter. And then, you know, if you do it to one side, you should probably do it to the other side of your cheek. So we're gonna go like this. Looks like a weird line there. What is that? Who knows? And just keep blending until it looks okay. Usually if I'm like, by the time when I go out or do something, I'm gonna add like a bold lip, but for now I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. I hope you guys liked this video. It was a little different than most weeks. It's not a DIY. Well, I guess it's kind of like DIY what I do for my makeup, so it is what it is. But make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be back next week with some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.